gate is unlocked, you may proceed to the unloading platform, then exit to your right. Should you wish to ride once more, please alight and kindly fall in line again. Please step out of the ride carefully and walk towards us. We hope you enjoyed your ride on the Disco Magic and have a magical day at Enchanted Kingdom. Welcome to the Disco Magic. Please watch your step as you board the platform. Please be seated and the ride operator will lock the restraint for you. Hold on to the handlebars and keep your feet within the platform and flat on the floor at all times. This ride is not recommended for guests with any of the following health conditions: recent surgery or illness, weak heart, expecting mothers, weak back, and high blood pressure. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the Disco Magic. Welcome to the Disco Magic. Please watch your step as you board from the platform. Please be seated and the ride operator will lock the restraint for you. Hold on to the handlebars and keep your feet within the platform and flat on the floor at all times. This ride is not recommended for guests with any of the following health conditions: recent surgery or illness, weak heart, expecting mothers, weak back, and high blood pressure. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the Disco Magic.